Hello, welcome in the new video. So today I am not going to show you any foreign country or something new buildings. Today what I am going to show you something unbelievable, which is also my dream. I always want to stay on a ship which seems to be haunted. So my dear friends, today this is the video where I am going to show you a haunted ship, a decommissioned ship which has been maybe decommissioned a decade ago. So this is the ship, I don't know the name. Actually, we are going to explore it and we are going to stay here for tonight. For whole night, me and my dear friend. This my dear friend is going to be a stay on board. So let's come into the ship. So now the tide is closed. That's why we are getting not too much problem to embark on it. We are going to embark and my dear friend be careful while embarking. And you can see it is fully rusted, and I think if you punch very hardly it will break into some separate pieces. So while embarking we have to be very careful. Okay, give me the camera, you come please. So now I embarked on this barge in this fuel ship. So actually we already know that we have to come here and stay for the night. So we have already made some arrangement. So here you can see, and you can see the arrangement. This is the survival. This is the survival tip for tonight. Like we are having one apple juice and some biscuits and water bottles, and we have arranged here some seats to just sleep. We are not going to sleep today because we are come here for some work. Anyway, I'm going to show you now the whole ship. And we are having this blanket. Actually it is cold, so we are feeling a little cold. That's why I'm going to just cover it my body. So let's come inside the ship. So after that there is full darkness. There is no light inside the ship, and I'm going to the first time into a haunted ship. It seems to be very haunted, like everyone is rusted. And if I don't wear this, I have to also wear some helmet, but I don't have now, so we can adjust. So come very close. And here I'm going to also open that this flashlight of my phone so that I can see. So this is just arrangement, and here you can see. And now there is a box. I'm going to open it. Maybe there is some snack or something else, but what I find it. There are some. Now it is settled. So there are some clothes. Oh my God! We got a pillow. We are going to stay. So Ajay will sleep on this pillow for today. And I think there are some unnecessary items. There are some screws. It is fully rusted. If I'm touching it, I have to go and take a just injection of tetanus because of this. You know, the disease. It is very dangerous. Anyway, we are going now outside. So now we are on the 01 बोलते हैं ना. So now we are on the deck of 01 number deck, and I'm going to search where is the gate. So this is the lock, this is the gate. I'm going to open it. I don't know that how it can. So I think that the gate is locked very tight. I don't know, maybe there are some important, and I don't know, there are some khajana inside it. That's why it is not going to be open. It is very, very tight. Only one of two is just loose. So we are not going to be entering it. Let's see. And there is nothing here. Just all the rusted parts are, you can see here. And this is just a rescue ship before that. So we are going to be in the another deck. We are going now on deck number 02. But the cameraman is here. And one more thing, I may die, but cameraman never dies. This is the ladder which will lead us to bridge. So we are going in the bridge. We are going to see. I don't know whether the gate is locked or unlocked. We will see later. But first of all, we have to be very, very careful while we are stepping out on the ladders. And actually the upper decks are good. Upper decks are in good conditions. There is no rust at all. And here is the gate. Okay. Maybe I am thinking it will open. Wow. Finally after a lot of effort, we unlocked. And we have to see, there is just a bad smell coming out from this beach. We need to come inside the bridge. Now be careful. So you can see the arrangement. Okay, just take care of the gate, it will not get closed. Bye, wait a minute, we'll arrange. Okay, it is fixed. So you can see the bridge area of merchant vessel. And you know guys, there is a lot of space here. Oh, we can go also on downside. First of all, we are going to explore the beach. So for your information, I'm going to tell you, it is just different from our ships. I don't know all the equipments. I think this is the, what do you know? It is a speed controller. And there are many equipments which will cost in lakhs. But because this is decommissioned, so there is no use at all. And you know, seems to be very horror. You are feeling like I'm in the haunted ship. But first of all thing, I would like to say that we are not getting anything of fearful. Here you can see, here we prepare the chart for navigating. So this is the table belongs to chart. You can see there are so many, just like this is the compass. And okay, be careful. I found a pen. Let's see, is it ops or not? There is no ink at all in this pen. Oh, very old keyboard. Here is the keyboard. And all the equipments are now non-ops. Because after a long day. Wait, telephone. Hello? See the old time telephone like that. It is not in use of modern ships. And AC. Wow, air condition. It means I think before decommissioning, Ajay, this is the new. Wow, you can see the brightness. It is brighter than my face. You cannot see clearly my face, but you can see it is fully brighter. I'm going to pull it. Anyway, I think it is operational. We should take it to our home. But this is illegal, so we will leave it here. And so this is the bridge, whatever I have told you. Now we are trying to go downside. We will see. Here the ladders are very strong. There is no problem. We can walk safely in all the ladders. Okay. This is the salon. Come. I'm not going to anywhere lonely because I'm not fearful, because here you don't know. You can see there is no fear on my face, but still I will carry. I will go wheresoever my friend. You can see this is just a good old time TV. I remember when I was child, I used to see this type of TV, but today it is also here. It is only fixed. Here is the light bulb. I think it's all operational, but there is no Bijli and power. And the media locker, it is locked. Where is the key? But it is unlocked. Oh my god, you can see the medicines. Here is the injections. All the injections. I think it is expired. It is expired in 2020 April. Yes, obviously. This is chief engineer. Wow. Chief engineer room is, there is a lot of space. What is it? This sandals. Okay, we got one. This comb. It will work for us, like arranging my hair. Anyway, this is just dirty. I'm not going to touch it. Okay, leave it. Now I am going in the 4th or 5th deck, and my cameraman, please come with me. I don't wanna go lonely. You know, it is full of risks. There is no one in the range of 5 kilometers around us. If I need any help, I must have to die here. And it is very low. That is why I will use my leg to open for 4, 3, and 4. It is open. Wow. कभी कभी ऐसा फील होता है कि शक्तिमान की anyway. So this is, it feels like totally haunted here because here is also a gas cylinder. I'm just I don't know, I don't see movies, so that's why I'm not going to get any haunted movie name. My dear friend Ajay, he may be known.
There is a movie of Vicky Kaushal.
Whatsoever, but it feels to be fully horror. There is only me and my dear friend Ajay, and there is no one.
And the interesting part is that that movie is based on Shiv.
Oh my god, please do not tell all the things because I'm getting a little scared. Okay, I don't know how to open it. And this is another diver's cabin. So we are going to dive in their cabin. It's not going to be open, so that's why my leg. Wow, good. There are so many chairs. Come this side, please. There are so many chairs. Cables. I'm feeling very exhausted here. This is lack of oxygen. You can see you can feel my volume. Now I cannot speak loud. You can see sweats on my face. It is told by my mom, शीशा टूटना अच्छी बात नहीं है. But don't worry, यहाँ पर सब कुछ बुरा ही हो रहा है. Anyway, this is in off condition. We can eat it. I had already told you there are a lot of things here which is useful. You can see the TV, that old TV. Okay, let me go. Inside a bit. You are going to open. Okay, one more. One more. Finally open. And what I find, there is nothing. There is only the blocks of some woods, and there is nothing inside that. Anyway, and there is cylinder. It is filled, but I am not going to just touch it because it may be dangerous. And here is the wiring for. Okay, so now our vlogging ends here. You can see the sweats on my face. So due to the oxygen level very low here, we are getting some difficulty to breathe, and there is no one to help here. And cameraman never dies, but I don't know about me. That's why I'm going first. You can see this alleyway. This is the alleyway. It seems to be very horror. It was like someone is coming and grabbing my hand, but don't worry, we are very unfaithful. We'll just go. Oh, there is way from here. And inside the ship, everything is calm. There is nothing. I don't know why it becomes a decommission day. It may be used. I will tell you the reason. So finally, we are going to out from the ship. Okay. Now I can breathe freely. I can breathe freely in the air. So how good it is. And for your information, I'm going to tell you there is no one inside. Here you can see the mountains and there is water. And after 100 meters behind the ship, there is open sea. So here we are the two people. Me and my dear cute friend. We are from Uttarakhand. So me and my dear friend, we are just going to stay here for night. So actually I was free, so I think that I should just spend some time in making video. We're also trying to go upside. Come. So there is water lodged. There is water blockage. If I go there, so there are some, we are wearing shoe and we have to spend the full night. That's why you cannot go there. Otherwise, I will go on the top of the bridge and I will show you. But I'm not going there. Anyway, so we are going to end the video now. If I'm going to just find something interesting, I'm going to show you. So I hope you have liked the video. And this is just a horror, and it is very hard working for me to just shoot the video in the single shot because you are having it 2 people only. And after that, I'm going to just have that tasty apple juice because I was totally exhausted. So anyway, if I find something unbelievable in my life, and if I find boring myself, at that time I used to shoot video. Bye bye, tata.